Welcome guys. Car cleaning gel is a perfect stuff for your car outer rock. Car cleaning gel is easy to use, reusable and multiple uses. The car cleaning gel is super great to get into the nooks and little crevices on the car interior to pick up the dust, debris, hair, crumbs and so on. In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best car cleaning gels in 2021. These 5 are the best car cleaning gel. You can choose any one you like. Let's get started the list. The 5th is Sandeeda Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel removes easily grime, dust and other particulates. It leaves behind no residue. And it is perfect for cleaning those hard to reach areas as gaps or corner. This car cleaning gel putty is perfect for in-vehicle cleaning and household cleaning. It can help you save more time. You can also clean your keyboard, mouse, calculator, screen, game controller, fan frame, car outlet, bookcase, corner, window, track, clock, remote control and more. But do not making contact with fabric, carpet or cloth. This car cleaning gel is flexible and easy to deform and stretches freely, so that it can get into the uneven parts and fine parts of various equipment to remove dust with strong adhesive power. When you use auto cleaning putty, take it out and press it for about 3-5 seconds, then dust will be removed. It is made of biodegradable gel that is not sticky to hand and it smells sweet with lemon fragrance, totally no stimulation to skin. This cleaning gel could be used for several times till the color turned to dark. When cleaning finished, just put the box at cool place. For more detail, visit to the link. The 4th is Mukjun Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is a great car cleaning kit for cars or trucks. This car cleaner to pick up the dust for the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handle and dashboard. Choose exactly how much to use each time and knead the gel to any convenient shape. Press and roll it slightly and then pull it out slowly to carry away the dust. The keyboard cleaning gel could be used for several times till the color turns to dark. When cleaning finished, just put the dust remover putty back into the box and store it in a cool, dry place. This cleaning gel for car is made of biodegradable gel material with lavender fragrance. The cleaning glue for car is safe to your skin and friendly to the environment. Cleaning glue removes all dust and debris and leaves no residue. This cleaning putty gel is also useful for electronic products and office and other rugged surface cleaning such as PC, laptop, keyboard, printers, game console, cell phones, calculators, TV, remote speaker, grill, fan, grill, air condition, vent, window sill and so on. For more detail, visit to the link. The 3rd is Pure Deki Car Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards and other hard-to-reach spaces. Just push car cleaning gel into any little cracks, press car vent cleaner on and the dust would be carried away. You can also press the keyboard cleaner slightly on the keyboard surface and then pull out slowly, the dust would be carried away with the silicone. This car cleaning gel smells sweet with lavender fragrance, totally no harm to human skin and friendly to the environment. This auto car detailing cleaning gel can be used for multiple times until the gel turns to black. Just put the gel into the sealed box after use and store it in a cool, dry place, and do not use car vent cleaner to wipe the cell phone screen or computer monitor. This automotive dust cleaning gel can not only clean the car interior but also the home and office, PC, computer, keyboard, printer, cell phone, calculator, TV, remote and furniture. The suitable surface must be water resistant, or the dust removal for car would stick to it. For more detail, visit to the link. The 2nd last is Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel. There are always some blind corners in your car that can't be cleaned with a traditional wipe. Color Coral Cleaning Gel will help you out on this. It could reach the dust in vent, dashboard and cup holders easily. And as it have updated the formula accordingly, Color Coral now works much better in car cleaning. This cleaning gel could be used again and again till the color turned to dark, Then you have to replace the gel with a new one. It is made of natural material. This cleaning gel is not sticky to hands, smells sweet with lavender fragrance and totally no stimulation to skin. Take a piece of the cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent and other rugged surface and then pull out. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Color Coral Universal Cleaning Gel is a simple and convenient cleaning kit for car interior detailing as well as keyboard cleaning, home and office electronic dusting, such as the car vent, camera, printer, telephone, calculator, speaker, air conditioner, TV and other appliances. For more detail, visit to the link, and the first is Tikar Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel for car is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your car or truck. This cleaning car gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car, air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the dirt. Just press the car vent cleaner slightly on the dust surface and pull out the car cleaning gel slowly, the dirt would gone. Push car detailing tools into any little cracks and the crud sticks and pulls back out. You can also press the keyboard putty on the keyboard surface and then pull out the car gel cleaner slowly. The dust would be carried away with the car cleaner slime. Cleaning gel for car could be used for several times till the color of the car goo cleaner, car jelly cleaner turn to dark. When cleaning finished, just put the car cleaning gel back in jar and keep the car cleaner in cool place. This car cleaning gel is made of high-tech cleaning material with lavender scent. The cleaning glue for car sticky dust but not sticky to hands. This car cleaning goo pick up all dust and debris and leaves no residue. Car putty cleaner is also useful for home and office, PC, keyboard and other rugged surface cleaning such as printer, cell phone, calculator, TV remote and furniture. This cleaning putty slime dust cleaner is suitable for most devices and surfaces except carpets. For more detail, visit to the link. These 5 are the best cleaning gel for cars. You can choose any one you like. For any information about all these cleaning gels, visit to the links in the description box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.